done the primals with Dave, and now it's the beast. It's the forequarter with Ian. Do not look in his eyes, you will get lost. Ian, what are we doing first, my friend?
Take the shin off first.
Okay.
Bone here.
Man, amazing. And you're going in. Oh. You're good at this. How long have you been butchering, Ian?
I can't count how many years. Wait, 30.
You guys just wrestle meat all day, don't you?
That's what it is.
Oh, proper seam butchery. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness gracious. That's where the flavor is. The flavor's all in there.
So next, brisket.
The brisket. It's the toughest, one of the toughest muscles on the cow. You gotta think about it. So that brisket supports a lot of weight. You know, cows' heads are huge. It's one of the toughest muscles. You got it? Okay. So there we have the brisket. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And you got good fat content in that brisket. You know, sometimes with brisket, you don't have crazy fat content in this country because it's grass-fed. In America, it's all kind of grain-fed. So that's why slow-cooked brisket, don't cook it like you would in America, like like a barbecue. I would actually get a sear on it, salt and pepper, and then put it in a big casserole, like pot, some chopped tomatoes, barbecue sauce, beef stock, and then you can do kind of like a pot roast. I don't know what you guys call it over here, but that's a really good way of doing brisket. Nice job. Okay, next. So this is called the blade or the runner. Keep that blade bone in. What I say before, sweetest meat's next to the bone. Whew. Okay. So what do we got in here?
Take your bones off. It's your Jacob's ladder.
Jacob's ladder.
And this bit is blade.
Blade. Blade and runner. And what do you guys use a lot? Ooh, there's that ball. There's that socket.
This you can just bone out, all go into trim.
Right.
Or minced burgers.
Yeah.
It's just whatever you.
Well, it's the best ratio for beef and fat.
Now you can take off feather blade.
Yep. Oh, wicked. This is, I really want to see someone do a feather blade. Feather blade are great steaks. Isn't the faux fillet in here somewhere? It's right there. Okay, cool. That's one of the most tender muscles on the cow. There we go.
Feather blade.
Feather blade. So you just get rid of that fascia.
Okay, take this off, take the fat off for down a PAD.
Yep, and it's a lot. It's again more price point steak compared to fillet, sirloin, and ribeye. So when I cook pork shoulder, I leave that blade bone in, and we actually sing a song when we go before we pull the pork after like 20 hours of cooking it. And when this thing comes out, there's nothing attached to it. It's just clean bone. And we sing a song called the Clean Bone Song. Clean bone. And homeboy did the clean bone as well. Clean bone from Ian. You can actually invent sports with this, Ian. Or I can take you out and rob you. You've got a knife, so I ain't doing that. Gosh, man. So in that front of that beast, there are muscles that don't do much work. You get these lovely little faux fillet muscles, and they're packed with flavor, but super tender. So what are you doing right now, Ian?
Just cracking the bones.
Cracking the bones. Does that make it easier to get into
It just makes them easier to come out.
Gotcha. Can you hear all this? I'm gonna get my microphone here so you can hear how gnarly this guy is. Don't mess with Ian, okay? He's killed 8 men to date that we know of. And Ian, what made you get into butchery? Just a job?
Just a job.
Yep. And how long you been here at Donald Russell?
17 years now.
17 years. This is insane. I've not seen the chine bone removed like this. I mean, this is intricate work. Ian, what's your favorite steak?
Probably a ribeye.
There we go. Is your favorite steak a ribeye too, Callum? Do this with the camera. There we go. Kevin, is your favorite steak? Is it a ribeye? There we go. You guys are good. You guys can stay.
That's your shoulder bone here.
There it is. And there's that. There's the shoulders.
You sweating now?
Oh my gosh. I'm sweating. He did all the work. Okay, so beef shoulder. This is the classic for burgers. Oh my gosh. Chuck eye steaks. Cowboy steaks. That's why I like Donald Russell. These guys are really pushing seam butchery, and not just the classic steaks, the primal cuts. You know, they're offering you on lip bavette, sharing steaks, and that's why it's so cool to order from Donald Russell.